That's what happened to me. And honestly, situations, mistakes. That's when it's going to be a summer spring that you can find off the shelf and have that self-reliant. Yeah. Let's go ahead.
So a couple areas I did put the JB Weld. Here's holding the spring. I added some here to keep it to this, whatever you call this thing. I also put some JB Weld here to hold this spring. And I put super glue where all these pins are lined up at. Yep, and that's it, guys. This is what I've done. Also the modifications I did to the firing pins. Awesome. I haven't had a failure since.